We have many scientific illusions. There are many theories in science that are absolute illusion. They have no relation with the physical reality, with the physical world. One of them is that consciousness is a product of a biological evolution, which means that life has developed so far that interaction between the neurons can generate consciousness. This is not science. This is pseudoscience. And out of this idea also came now a second pseudoscience, that artificial intelligence with its operations can generate consciousness. The mainstream science does not understand that evolution of life on this planet, which is scientifically proved, does not or did not happen in time. This old view of seeing this universe as something that has been developed in time, where life is a part of its development, is false. We do not have any scientific evidence that time is a physical reality in which universe is developing and existing. The result of this misunderstanding is that also biological evolution runs in some physical time. And now what we can hear, that with the James Webb telescope we can see so far in the past. This is also a fucking bullshit. The only time, if we talk about time, in the entire universe, observable and non-observable universe, is now. Now. Always the same and the only one existent now. In terms of theoretical physics, this now means that universal space is time invariant. And time is a duration that enters existence when measured. No measurement, no time. Out of this understanding comes very clear that the whole idea about universe beginning out of mathematical point, as suggested by Stephen Hawking, is not science. This is pseudoscience. Universe is eternal and non-created, and black holes are rejuvenating systems of the universe. And life is developing in the entire universe, because consciousness is the fundamental reality of the universe. And that's why matter has tendency to develop into biological living systems which have ability to grasp consciousness, to become aware of consciousness. So consciousness is non-created. In a physical terms, we can describe consciousness as a basic frequency of a superfluid n-dimensional quantum space, which means that the basic frequency, that the consciousness frequency is 1 divided by Planck time. And we can develop this a little bit more. You can see the article below, but all this also, it's a bullshit. Because consciousness is not objective. Consciousness is not an object. The very nature of consciousness is that consciousness is subjective. Which means that you can watch your mind. Until you are totally merged into your mind, you should not talk anything about consciousness, because you do not know anything about consciousness. Consciousness is far, far, far beyond the mental process. And artificial intelligence has developed ability to simulate mental process. Okay. But simulation of the mental process has nothing to do with consciousness. So, it is my great pleasure to inform all people and experts which think that the artificial intelligence will generate consciousness. It will not. Never. So, I wish everybody nice Sunday. Go for a walk, breathe this beautiful air, and be aware. Start using this. This is the most beautiful faculty of the human being. Start using awareness in every moment of your life. Especially if you are intellectual, start using the faculty of the consciousness, that you become aware of the way your mind functions. Without having awareness about what you think and how you think, you will never know anything about consciousness. Consciousness knowing is not based on the mental activity. Consciousness knowing is based on the experience. Okay.